Steven.
Yeah, what's up?
Do you want to go hoon on this car?
You son of a bitch. I'm in.
Ah, let's go! You guys should have known I was just joking about the rain. We're going to go out in the rain and we're going to test this thing because rain does not stop a demolition derby, and it's definitely not going to stop a demolition derby driver. So don't let things get in your way. We are driving a little bit away from my house to go test this thing out today. Steven is going to be beating it down and I'm going to be watching, filming. We have a GoPro here mounted underneath the hood so you guys can see the live motor. So we're going to go out there. We're going to try to beat this thing down for about 20 minutes because that's about as long as a demolition derby lasts. And then we're going to come home and we're going to cook some hamburgers. Sounds like a plan?
I'm good at wrecking shit, that's why I'm driving.
Yeah, are you good at wrecking shit?
I destroy everything.
What's that sticker say on the back of your car?
I wreck shit.
Let's go wreck this thing. Well, maybe not wreck it. Let's kind of hope it doesn't get wrecked.
I'm out to destroy it.
No.
If it's gonna break, it's gonna break here.
No. Well, break here?
Break before it gets to the derby.
Oh, okay. We're gonna what we're trying to see is if those lower ball joints hold up, if the struts hold up, if they pull out of the tops. This is the type of stuff that we're gonna be looking for today. If motor mounts hold up. I have two of them the way I want to, but over here, this one here is not the way I want it to be as a finished product, but it's in there. I want to make sure that the wiring harness is good. I want to make sure that no wires get caught and melt. I want to make sure that everything holds together. We do not have a battery box in it, so I think that's going to be a weak link. That is my little battery booster. It's just a transport truck battery with 16-inch long cables on it. We got the cage in it, gas tanks in it, so shifters in it, electrics in it. I'm hoping that the engine stays planted, and I hope that the ball joints do not let go. So let's go bring this thing to the field and test it out.
You can solve me with your body, and I'll erect my king.
Well, here we are at a local gravel pit. This road here leads back to they siphon water out of the river and pump it into their fields. So this is something good where you can just motor down and come out of here with speed. And the off camber, just please do not hit the Dodge, Steven.
What?
I won't hit Dodge. Don't go over here because this is like you can go in here around the fire, but if you go any farther than the fire, it's just mud and water.
I wonder if I can get it buried.
Don't bury it. We didn't bring any chain.
I'm good at burying stuff too.
Or straps. This hill here, you could probably carve, but just be aware there's looks like a giant rock.
Yeah.
Please do not smoke that rock. It might actually simulate smacking your spindle off somebody, but don't do it on the first try.
Annihilate it?
Yeah, don't annihilate that rock. Oh, a little slippery coming up here.
You got no grit.
Yeah. On the top of the hill, there's a little bit of space here. Don't go over there, Steven.
Old Paso's little... Pretty well anywhere here.
Yeah, don't go over here. It looks like you can come down this hill and then make a sharp right.
Yeah, and come around.
And then come around. So, rules of the day. Do not drive it in the lake. Do not get it stuck. Don't break it.
I might break it.
Okay.
No promises.
This thing looks mean. Look at how mean this thing looks. All right, who's ready for some test and tune? This is actually pretty steep.
Yeah, I don't know if it's for that.
Ah, speed conquers all.
I'm gonna come over this hill. Whoa!
Oh, that's a pretty steep hill. All right, Steven, start her up. Oh, Steven. Just the fuel pump. The fuel pump needs to catch up. All right, let's go turn this GoPro on. How's the shifter feel? Is it going into gear properly?
Yeah, kinda.
Just clean up the GoPro, turn it on. Let's just see if she's on there. She's recording. All right, Steven. my God, listen to that thing echo. That sounds amazing. Isn't she gonna try to come back up? Oh, she bottomed out! Doesn't sound like it's shifting up. Maybe he's got it in the low gear. He'll come back now. Listen to that thing echo through the trees. It sounds like a damn race car through the trees echoing. Wow, this tuned computer, what a difference. It is night and day. I driven a 3100 1995 bone stock, no tuning, wiring moved, and it is nowhere near as peppy as this thing. He's being kind of mean to it. Oh my God. There's an S-bend there, so he's slowing down for the S-bend. Here he comes. Doesn't sound like it's going to high gear.
I broke the strut.
What? Which one?
That one.
Oh my God, you did. Okay, so we broke a strut. I seen something hard fall off you there. Turn it off for a minute.
It was the top of the strut.
Really? Is it not shifting to high gear?
No, it will if you...
Oh, you're just having it in the low gear in the inside. Man, I should have like tied in this radiator. Holy.
There's a couple kids down there.
Is there?
Yeah, they're like...
Let's go see the piece that fell out. So, the strut broke. I was a little nervous about these. This rubber came from inside of there.
It just pushes through.
Just push that through, yeah. So we got to put plates over this, maybe. I'm scared it might suck it through the bottom, so I might have to take this all back apart and try to figure it out.
That side didn't break.
That side didn't break, but if this side breaks, that means that side's going to. It means I'm going to have to, redo the top of these. Sounds like the kids on the dirt bike are finally catching up to this thing. Is it that quick? They can't keep up?
Oh my God, it's a rocket ship.
It is. It's fast. Here they come. Oh, they're on ATVs. Well, let's go say sorry for disturbing their nice, peaceful day on the ATVs.
So we got Zach in here now. Sounds like a gunshot.
Yeah, I'm gonna try and catch up with him. I wanna see some drifting.
He'll come back over that hill. It's really muddy over there,
Oh, yeah.
so we're not ripping it too hard over there. He'll come back over. Give it some gas!
know.
Looks like the transmission's getting hot.
Oh yeah. You want to tilt the trailer? We'll put it back on. So we did a little bit of test and tune. Steven beat it up and broke the strut, and then I broke the strut even more. When I'm driving, this piece here is like coming up to here.
Yeah,
so
same for me.
yeah, we need to figure this out, get it fixed, get her going again. But it's also low in transmission fluid, so I don't know if it's been low the whole time or we have a leak and I'm not seeing it here on the ground. But she's got balls, bud. These tires, I am pretty sure they have about 40 psi, not in this side, but in this side, I know it's got a lot of psi, and we are folding this thing over. What the heck's there?
That's a strut. It's a strut moving around.
Okay. We're folding this thing over so the rim is touching the ground as we're turning. So it's heavy, but it's fast. We're just gonna load it back on the trailer now and take it home, because
Burgers.
we're gonna eat some burgers. All right, Steven, start her up, put her on the trailer, bud. We've been ripping for about 20 minutes now, maybe 15. It's fun. Time goes fast when you're fun. Let's see if she starts up okay.
I'm sure it'll be.
You might have to give it some fuel. Oh, bud, she's mint. Okay, put it in neutral. Let's just check that transmission while she's in neutral. Steven, on the trailer, bud. What a great test and tune for day number 1. All we had was a strut that let go, and I'd rather all this stuff happen now than it happen when we're at home. Because, well, not at home, sorry, I mean like at a derby. If we take this thing to a derby, especially like one far as way as New York or something. Okay, slow down. That way just a bit. Good. Wouldn't want to drive all the way to New York and this thing not break a strut pretty much instantly. Little farther. Good. But yeah, that was a great test and tune. Everything went very smooth. We still have to adjust the shifter a little bit. The gray area shifter feels great. The Josh Archambault harness and tune feels amazing. These are Jeffy Fad Farm headers, and they just echo through this whole place. So everything's going pretty nicely on this. Struts need a little bit of work, but honestly, I thought that was one of the weak points.
It didn't break sideways.
No.
It's just the top, right?
Yeah.
I imagine if you cut them, put them in, and then put a plate on top,
Yeah.
it wouldn't push through anymore. It'd be fine. You know what I mean?
Yeah, but how are you going to get that bolt off there?
You have to recut them, or you just, or you.
We'll have to take a look. Maybe I can drill the Toyota ones out to fit these, because this is the Lumina centerpiece in the Toyota, so I had to drill it the whole body, right?
Yeah, it's not, these rubber grommets and they just push through, right?
Yeah.
I'm surprised that one didn't go quicker.
Yeah.
Maybe it's because all the weight of the transmission's on this side.
But all the weight of the motor is on this side.
And my body.
Yeah, your body. Hopefully the GoPro footage turns out, because I think it's going to be hilarious. But powerful car. But best way to say this car, Honda Nation. Let's get this thing tied down. Thanks everybody for watching, and I want to say something to you guys. This is our local gravel pit. A lot of kids come here party and fish and ATV. Pick up your damn garbage. We're going to be picking up almost all of the recyclable garbage here today and taking it home and putting it out to be recycled, because this is crazy. This is not a dump. This is where people like to come and have fun, not to throw their garbage and drive away. So please pick up after yourselves. Just like we came here, we had fun. Everything that we brought, we are taking home with us, and we're actually picking up more stuff than when we came with. So thanks for watching, everybody, and have yourself a great day.